Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me, Anne?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Can you hear me now?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Good morning, Anne.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we are having our makeup class, okay? But tonight we still have our regular class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's begin, Anne. All right. So for today, Anne, we are going to talk about Unit 15, what's for dinner? Okay, so what's for dinner? So, but before that, let's have some vocabulary words right here. Okay, so I will play an audio file and then you repeat after it. Okay, Anne?
Okay.
Okay, let's start with number 1.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
All right, giraffe. Number 2.
Frightened.
Frightened.
Frightened. Okay, number 3.
Chopstick.
Chopsticks.
Very good. Next.
Knife.
Knife.
And last one is
Cooker.
Cooker.
cooker. Okay, very good. So this is an example of giraffe, frightened, this is chopstick, a knife, and cooker. Okay, so when do we use chopstick, Anne? What is the use of a chopstick?
We used to um
What do you think is the use of a chopstick?
we use it to
We use it to So a chopstick is used to eat, right? Yeah,
Yes.
it also served as a spoon and fork. It's like a spoon and fork. You just use it when you eat food. Okay, so how about knife? What is the use of a knife, Anne?
Um.
What's your answer? Do you know what's the use of a knife?
No.
Okay, so a knife is used to cut vegetables or meat, right? We use it in the kitchen when we have to slice some things. Okay, so now let's go to the first part. What are your favorite animals? Okay, look at the picture and tell me what animals can you see?
I can see the cow, the duck, the sheep, the pig, the horse, the dog, and a rabbit.
Okay, so which one here is your favorite animal?
It is a rabbit
A rabbit. Okay, why do you like a rabbit?
because it is cute.
Because it is cute. Okay, so do you have a pet at home, Anne?
Um, no.
No, you don't have a pet, even a cat or a dog? You don't have any, even a bird?
No.
Okay. Okay, so let's have activity A, listen and draw lines. Okay, so where are the animals, Anne? Look at the picture. Where do you think are the animals?
It is in the forest.
Yes, they are in the forest. What are they doing? Hello, Viet A.
Hello, teacher.
Why did you? Okay. Okay, again, what are they doing? And and what are they doing? Oh, and look at the picture. What are they doing? what's your answer? Just look at the picture. What do you think are they doing? Okay, Anna, what's your answer? You don't know? Just tell me if you don't know so that we can proceed to the next one.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, you don't know? What are they doing? They are eating, dancing, skipping, cooking, right? Look at them. And then you say you don't know? Oh, now, what kind of animals are they? Oh, look at the animals. Name the animals that you see. Oh, so what do you call the first animal? It's color black and white. What is that?
It is a panda.
Okay, how about the second animal?
A spider.
Spider, okay. Third?
A kangaroo.
Yes, and now how about the next one?
An octopus.
Octopus, and then?
A bear.
Bear, okay, next?
Giraffes.
And then?
A parrot.
Parrot, and the last one is? What do you call the last animal? What do you call that? This one, what's this? Do you know what animal is that?
No.
Okay, that is a duck or a goose. Okay, so let's check. So here, a panda, spider, kangaroo, octopus, bear, giraffe, parrot, and swan. Okay, oh, that is a swan. Okay, so what is your favorite animal in the picture, Anne? What is your favorite animal in the picture? Is it a panda, spider, kangaroo, octopus, or what?
I don't like any.
You don't like any, even the panda? You don't like any of them? Okay. Okay, so now let's see what's next. It says here, before listening, correct some sentences about the picture. Okay, so you tell me if it's correct or wrong, all right? Number 1, an animal that's wearing a hat is cutting a cake into pieces. Is that correct? Again, an animal that's wearing a hat is cutting a cake into pieces. Is that sentence correct, Anne? This one?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Are you sure that that is a cake?
No.
Then what is it?
It's a pizza.
Okay, so instead of a cake, that must be a pizza. Okay, next one, number 2. There are no animals with wings in the picture.
No.
Are you sure there are no animals with wings in the picture?
No.
Wait a minute, Anne.
Các bạn hình nó vẫn như thế. Hiểu biết.
Okay, now let's go to number 2 again. Are you sure that there are no animals with wings in the picture?
There are 2.
There are 2. Okay, what are these animals, Anne?
A parrot and a swan.
Very good. A parrot and a swan. All right, very good. And now, number 3. The umbrella's colors are different.
No.
Okay, so what's the color?
It is pink.
Yes, it's only one color and it's pink. Okay, number 4, Anne. 5 glasses are on the table.
No.
Okay, so how many glasses can you see?
Just 3.
Just 3. Okay, and the next one. The table where the panda is sitting is round.
No.
Okay, so what is the shape?
It is it is rectangle.
Okay, it's rectangle or square. Very good. See, you got a perfect score. Okay, very good, Anne. Okay, so now we are going to listen and draw lines. Okay, so again, and I will play an audio file and you have to draw a line on your answer, okay? But before that, you must not touch your mouse, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch your mouse so that you can control the line later on. Okay, so let's begin and don't touch the mouse. Let's begin with number 1.
15A. What's for dinner? Listen and look. There is one example.
I'm reading a funny book, Dad. It's for younger children, really, but I don't mind that. The story's about the animals in this picture.
Oh, they're having a picnic. They look very strange.
Yes, they do. And all these animals have names. Can you see Paul? He's already sitting on one of the seats.
Do you mean the animal with the chopsticks?
That's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
What are they eating? It's difficult to see.
Sausages and burgers, but I think the cook burned some of them.
What's the cook's name?
Harry. He likes wearing that red hat in sunny weather. He sometimes wears sunglasses too.
The 2 giraffes.
Okay, so now put a line on your first answer and
It is Harry. Oh, what is that?
Okay,
I don't
okay.
know.
Oh, wait a minute. I will erase it. Okay, don't move anything first. Teacher will erase it. Okay, again, put a line on your answer. Oh, be careful when you write.
What again? I don't know.
I told you be careful. You just do like this. Oh, look at the mouse. Click, click, hold, click, hold, click and hold. Oh, like that. Okay, again, one more time.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now let's go to number 2. Oh, don't move again.
Sunglasses too.
The 2 giraffes are enjoying themselves. Look.
Yes. The shorter one's called Vicky.
I didn't know that parrots can skip.
Well,
Okay, again.
sunglasses too.
The 2 giraffes are enjoying themselves. Look.
Yes. The shorter one's called Vicky.
I didn't know that parrots...
Okay, so now where is Vicky? Okay, very good. Next one.
Shorter one's called Vicky.
I didn't know that parrots can skip.
Well, this one can.
What kind of juice is that spider drinking?
It's mango juice, I think.
Well, it's enjoying it. What's its name?
Jill. It's a really strange spider. If it...
Okay, now where is Jill? Okay, wait a
The
minute.
spider.
Okay, wait. Okay, now put a line on your answer. All right, finish? Yes.
Okay.
Now let's go to the next one.
Strange spider. If it wants to, it can change the colour of its body and legs.
What a good idea. I'd like to do that.
Dad! And look, there's Richard.
Which animal is that?
The one with the camera in its arms.
Does it like taking photos?
Yes, it's looking at some on the little screen.
Okay, now where is Richard?
An octopus.
Okay, so here is the line and put a line on your answer. Okay, very good. Last one.
And here's Anna. She likes whistling to music all day long.
Why is she moving her wings up and down?
She wants to fly off to fetch some more food, I think. I can't remember.
I see. So, what will the other animals do after?
Okay, now where is Anna?
Okay.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, wait a minute. All right, so. Okay, so now let us check your answer if it's correct. Okay, so this is Harry the kangaroo, correct? Next one, Vicky is the smaller giraffe, correct? Next one, Jill is the spider. Richard is the octopus, and Anna is the swan. Very good, Anne. 5 points for this activity. Good job. Okay, now let's go to this activity. It says here, what are these animals eating? Okay, the animals in the pictures are eating. Okay, so can you tell me the food that the animals eat? Oh, look at the picture. What kinds of foods can you see?
Pizza. Sauces. Hamburger. Fruits. Noodles.
Okay, so let's see. The animals are eating sausages, burgers, pizza, pasta, and one of them is drinking a mango juice. Okay, that's good. Okay, so question, Anne. Do these animals really eat and drink those kinds of things? Do you think those animals really eat like those kinds of food? Have you seen a spider drinking a mango juice?
Yes.
Oh, have you seen in real life? Have you seen a spider in your house that's drinking a mango juice?
No.
No. Oh, I thought you have a spider in your house and it drinks mango juice. Oh, how about a panda eating noodles? Have you seen a panda eating noodles?
I can see panda. Okay.
Oh, you have seen a panda, a real life panda. Okay, very good. And now, what do you think these animals really eat in real life?
Panda eats. Pandas eat bamboo leaves. The spider eats insects.
Okay. How about the other one?
The kangaroo eat grass. The bear eats meat.
Okay. How about giraffe?
A giraffe eat grass too.
Eat grass too. And how about the parrot and the swan?
The parrot eat fruits.
Okay, eat fruits. And how about the swan? What do you think?
I didn't see this one.
Okay, so I think a swan eats a fish. Because usually we can see a swan in a lake or in the riverside. Okay, so here are some answers. Kangaroos, they eat grass and plants. Pandas, they eat plants, especially bamboo. Next one, giraffe, they eat leaves. Spiders are insects. Bears, they eat plants, insects, fruit, meat, fish, and honey. And the parrot eats fruit, nuts, beans, and vegetable. And octopus, they eat seafood. Okay, now, and let's go to letter D activity. Read the text and choose the right words. Okay, so this one is very easy for you. I know it. Okay, start reading the story now, Anne.
Swans are the largest water birds in the world. You often see white swans on lakes or rivers. Most swans are white, but you can see
Number one, but you can
also see black swans in some countries. Swans look lovely, but be careful if one comes real near to you. If a swan suddenly feels frightened, it will try to fly away and might hurt you. Swans have really strong wings. Their necks are longer than any other bird's necks because they use them to help find food in the water. In a river, there are lots of plants and insects for swans to eat. Swans live together in pairs of families. Young swans don't usually leave their parents. During the next new babies join the family. Some swans don't like cold winters, so when it starts getting colder, um, um, these wonderful birds begin the long journey to warmer environments. While swans usually live for about 20 years, but swans which live in places like zoos can live for 50 years.
Okay, very good. And you just got one mistake because you said during, but it must be before. Well, anyway, that's good, Anne. Oh, I told you this is very easy for you because you're really good in grammar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, very good. That is a very high score, 9 points. Okay, now let's have 2 verses also. Okay, so when can we use the word also, Anne? Can you read it, please?
Also is used in positive statements and comes before the verb.
Okay.
Example, Jean speaks French. Peter also speaks French. Also comes after the verb to be. Example, Jean is French. Peter is also French.
So how about to? When do we use the word to?
To has the same meaning as also, but it comes at the end of the sentence. Example, Jane speaks French. Peter speaks French too. She can play tennis too.
Okay, so can you make an example of a sentence using the word also and? I'll make an example of a sentence using the word also. Do you know any sentence that has a word also?
No.
Okay, how about to? Make a sentence using the word to.
I don't know any.
You don't know any? Okay, so also here. Okay, I will give you an example. Also. Anne also likes eating spaghetti. Okay, so two. Anne also, Anne likes eating ice cream and cake too. All right. So those are the examples of sentences that contains the word also and to. Okay. Okay. So tell me if the sentences are right or wrong, okay? Number 1, sharks eat fishes. Sharks too eat plants. Is this correct?
No.
What is the correct sentence?
Shark eats fishes. Sharks eat plants too.
Okay, very good. Number 2, bats eat insects. Bats also eat fruit.
It is correct.
Okay, how about number 3? Bats eat insects. Bats eat fruit too.
Okay.
Yes, very good. It's also correct. So the first sentence is the wrong one. Okay, very good, Anne. So we're just going to continue again our lesson tonight. Okay?
Okay.
So don't be absent tonight, Anne, so that we can finish this lesson. Okay. All right, goodbye, Anne. See you again tonight.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.